YouTube, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for cooling with Jay as always. If you haven't already, please help me out. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So in this video, I'm going to do my initial review of the Competition Werkes GP race exhaust. So I've obviously written it here, like 2 blocks away from their shop, and now I'm gonna do a full review of it. So of course, as you saw last week, I did the quick walk around of the bike, of all the mods I've done on it. And for those of you who are new to the channel, I'm a newbie rider on a Ducati V4. This is my very first bike, very first ownership. I've got to work with some great partners since I got started on my channel for Cox Racing and Competition Werkes. So my bike is littered, well, not littered in a good way, with parts from these guys. So front fender, hugger, carbon fiber. This will be carbon fiber, guys. Like I said, this will be done for the show. Again, I'm going to the show now 2 weeks from now as I'm recording this, and about 2 weeks I'll be going to the show in Las Vegas where my bike will be on show for Competition Werkes to show off their exhaust to consumers. So yeah, guys, this is my bike, nice and pretty. Bunch of parts on it, as I've already discussed before. Carbon fiber front fender, carbon fiber hugger, Cox Racing sliders, Competition Werkes fender eliminator kit, Cox Racing stem mount, Ducati Corsa windshield, tank pad, tank cap, I guess you could say, Rizoma reservoirs, CRG levers. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions about any of the parts I have on my bike, you know, again, I didn't personally install them. If you have any questions about them, pros and cons, all that, I will do that in a further video. But yeah, enough of me rambling. Let's get on my bike. Let us get started. So with this being said, I'm not sure how this is going to sound in the headset, so hopefully y'all can hear me over the exhaust. So let's do this. Alright, well, let's get started, shall we? I am not in my current city, so we're going to see how this is going to work. I think I'm going to take the freeway so y'all can kind of hear the exhaust and get a good clip of it. So I'm going to tell you right now, in my ear, I can't hear it. I can barely hear myself talk. I'll tell you that right now. I can barely hear myself talking this thing. But the sound though, oh yes. Like I said in my previous videos, man, this thing sounds, you know what I want to use. Incredible is not quite the word. It sounds like an angry something. Or, like some people said, it sounds like a GP exhaust on my bike. Alright, let's go on the freeway and see how this rides. I'll tell you one thing though, that cool breeze feels good. Come on. But yeah, initial first reaction, like I said before, it sounds amazing. Come on. Alright guys, so let us do this. Alright, slow down a little bit. Y'all ready for this? Oh my goodness. Alright, so here we are, guys, on the freeway. Getting a little, oh, this breeze, I'll tell you what, it feels amazing. I'll tell you that. And just a smooth sound, you know what I'm saying? It sounds, to me, like a Moto GP exhaust. It sounds amazing. check out Oregon, guys. Like I said, I'm in Roseburg right now. Roseburg, Oregon. For those of you who don't know, that is south of Eugene and south of Portland. About 4 hours south of Portland. So I gotta fix this so it's not spinning on me. My phone. It's not going anywhere, but it does turn. Like it isn't like annoying for sure. Definitely not annoying, but you can tell it wants to go. Definitely now. My curiosity, of course, as I ride it and I own it and all of that, is going to be how does it kind of scratch my nose and I can't scratch my nose. One thing's going to be like how is the heat going to be now? Because since it's more of a flowing exhaust, you know what I'm saying, will I need to heat wrap the exhaust or any of that, since now, you know, it doesn't have that anymore. I'm going to try to get around these people soon so I can kind of hear it open up a little bit. Of course I picked one of the hottest days. Like we're in October, we're almost in October, guys, and it is hot. It's supposed to be like 84 degrees today, and I'm telling you, I am not cooking, but boy, I should have definitely bought the textile jacket, that's for sure. Alright, how do we want to do this? That will never get old. That won't get old, guys. I'm telling you, it won't. I can do that all day. Just hearing the bang, bang, like how it pops. Y'all hear that as it pops when it upshifts? Oh, it's butter. You want to hear it again? Alright, let's do this. I can't even talk right now. Oh, I can't even talk. Like I was so engulfed in the sound, I forgot about talking or doing anything but listening. And it sounds so good. Oh, I'm so happy. But like I said, guys, like, don't get me wrong, the term is cool, Kramovich is alright, but like I said, man, different is better. Different is better. And like I said, I'm still in low power mode, guys. Like that's still low power mode. I haven't still cranked it up yet to the, oh hello. Well, I'm doing speed limit, so he's not looking. Oh, now he's looking. Conference not gonna get me today. He would've got me a while back though if I was doing what I was doing behind him. Anyway, guys, what do y'all think? You know, obviously I'm not sure what's picking up on the headset, obviously still. I'm not sure what sound, if anything's picking up on it, how does it sound and all that, but let me know in the comments down below which parts of my bike y'all like the most, which part of my bike y'all like the least. What do you think I should have done differently, if anything? You know, give me your feedback. Or here's a better question: if you had your choice in exhaust, if you had your choice in exhaust, what would you pick? Free is the key. If you had a free exhaust, if a company came to you and said, hey guys, hey man, we want to give you a free exhaust to work with, which exhaust would you choose? Termi or Kramovich? Termi or Kramovich? Competition Works, SC Project, or Aero? What would you pick? Let me know in the comments down below. Oh my goodness. Oh. Ooh. It's like soundgasm in your ear. When they talk about that, I now know what they mean. So, oh, the neighbors are not gonna like me, guys. I can feel it already. The neighbors are not going to like me at all. I think I know where. Like I said, guys, I have no idea where I'm going. I'm just going. I have no idea where I'm going. I'm just going somewhere. Alright. Don't you come out there on me. Like I said, I'm just running around. Look at this. You hear like pop and crackle on you? Guys, so yeah, this is the exhaust. It sounds itching. Hey guys, I just want to add onto the video at the end. Again, thank you for cooling with Jay. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for all the support, guys, y'all have given me on my channel thus far. I think I'm at almost 30,000 views on my channel, which is crazy. It's truly a blessing, and I owe it all to y'all. So with that being said, I am doing a drawing of my Phantom 4 drone. I'm giving it away for free, guys, to y'all, because y'all been a great blessing to me on my channel. If you haven't, go check out that video. The video should be up as you're listening to this video. Check it out, all the descriptions, what to do, it's all listed in that video. But yes, I am giving away a $1,500 drone to one lucky person on my channel. It's not clickbait, it's no scam, it's legit. I'm doing it out of the kindness of my heart. So again, guys, I owe it all to y'all. So with that being said, as always, thank you for cooling with Jay, and I will see y'all in my next video.